Welcome back to Bike Review Pro, the place where motorcycle enthusiasts come to get deep dive analysis, future bike predictions, and expert breakdowns of the machines shaping the next generation of adventure riding. Today, we're going all in on a motorcycle that has generated massive excitement around the world. After years of rumors, leaked concepts, and endless speculation, the 2026 Honda CRF 750L is finally shaping up to become Honda's next major step in the mid-weight adventure category. This bike is expected to fill one of the biggest gaps in Honda's lineup and deliver the perfect balance between real off-road capability and long-distance touring comfort. Honda has dominated the lightweight dual sport category with the CRF 300L and has an iron grip on the heavyweight adventure touring world with the Africa Twin. But until now, there has been nothing sitting comfortably in the middle. The CRF 750L is the answer to riders who want more power than the 300L can offer, but don't want the size, weight, or price tag of the Africa Twin. It is designed for riders who want genuine adventure capability without being overwhelmed by a huge motorcycle. This new category is one of the most demanded spaces in motorcycling right now, and Honda is finally stepping into the fight with a machine that combines its legendary durability with modern performance and technology. The 2026 CRF 750L is expected to be powered by Honda's newest 750cc parallel twin engine. Unlike the engines found in Honda's street-focused mid-size bikes, this one is expected to be tuned specifically for adventure and off-road riding. That means strong torque in the low and mid-range, smooth power delivery across the entire RPM band, and enough horsepower, likely in the 65 to 75 HP range, to comfortably handle highway speeds even when fully loaded with gear. Riders moving up from the CRF 300L will immediately feel the extra strength, while those used to larger ADV bikes will appreciate that the 750L doesn't sacrifice rideability for weight savings. This new engine is also expected to focus heavily on fuel efficiency and long-term reliability. Adventure riders often travel far from well-equipped service centers, and Honda knows the importance of a simple, robust engine platform that can handle thousands of miles with minimal issues. The cooling system, exhaust routing, and overall engine layout are designed with heat management and durability in mind, ensuring the bike stays stable and predictable regardless of terrain or climate. When it comes to handling, the CRF 750L promises to be one of the best balanced mid-weight bikes Honda has ever built. Using a lightweight but strong steel or hybrid frame, Honda aims to keep the bike's weight in the 200 kg range, making it far easier to handle on rough terrain compared to heavier 1000cc adventure bikes. The frame geometry encourages stability at speed while still delivering nimble handling in tight off-road situations. Whether you're navigating gravel roads, sandy trails, rocky mountain tracks, or smooth tarmac highways, the CRF 750L is being engineered to adapt to all environments without compromise. The suspension setup is expected to be a highlight. With long travel Showa forks up front and an adjustable rear shock, riders will enjoy excellent absorption over bumps, ruts, and uneven terrain. Whether you're riding solo, with a pillion, or carrying luggage, the suspension will maintain composure and comfort. Honda understands the importance of suspension tuning in the adventure category, and the CRF 750L is being crafted to offer a perfect balance between off-road capability and road comfort. Modern electronics will play a big role in the CRF 750L's performance as well. The bike will feature a full-color TFT display that supports smartphone connectivity, navigation integration, and easy menu navigation. Riders can expect multiple riding modes tailored for different conditions such as road, rain, gravel, and possibly even a dedicated off-road pro mode for advanced riders. Traction control levels will be customizable, allowing the rider to adjust wheel slip depending on terrain. ABS will likely be switchable at the rear, giving more control during steep descents or loose surface braking. Ride-by-wire throttle opens the door to smoother power mapping, cruise control, and optional quick shifter support. Honda's goal is to enhance the riding experience without making the bike overly complicated, ensuring that both new and experienced riders feel comfortable with the electronic systems. Design-wise, the 2026 CRF 750L carries Honda's unmistakable rally DNA. The bike features sharp body lines, a sleek LED headlight assembly, and a modern rally-inspired front fairing that provides wind protection without being excessively bulky. The fuel tank is sculpted to allow easy grip when riding off-road, and the seat is designed for all-day comfort while still allowing the rider to shift body position effortlessly. The ergonomics are built around the classic adventure triangle: upright seating, neutral handlebar width, and optimally positioned foot pegs. Standing posture is natural and well-balanced, making long off-road sections much more manageable. The bike is expected to come with a fuel tank capacity between 16 and 20 liters, giving it strong touring range, especially when combined with the efficiency of the new 750cc engine. Riders who want to explore remote areas won't need to worry about constant fuel stops. Honda will also offer a full range of accessories such as panniers, top boxes, engine guards, skid plates, radiator protection, touring windscreens, handguards, and possibly even a rally kit. These accessories will allow riders to set up the CRF 750L for long-distance ADV travel, weekend trail riding, or daily commuting. In the competitive middleweight adventure market, the CRF 750L has some serious rivals, including the Yamaha Tenere 700, KTM 790 Adventure, Aprilia Touareg 660, Suzuki V-Strom 800, and BMW's latest mid-size GS series. Honda is entering this class with a strategic focus on reliability, balanced performance, user-friendly technology, and real-world versatility. Riders who want a bike that performs well everywhere, on dirt, highways, city streets, and forest trails will find the CRF 750L to be a compelling option. Price expectations for the CRF 750L hover around the $9,000 to $11,000 range, depending on markets and variants. Honda may introduce a base model, a touring edition, and a more off-road focused rally edition, giving riders multiple choices according to their budget and riding style. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L is shaping up to be one of the most exciting and well-rounded adventure motorcycles of its generation. With its perfect blend of power, comfort, advanced features, and rugged off-road capability, it promises to deliver the freedom, confidence, and versatility that adventure riders crave. Whether you're crossing countries, exploring mountains, or simply enjoying weekend rides, the CRF 750L looks ready to become a new benchmark for mid-size adventure motorcycles. Stay tuned to Bike Review Pro for more upcoming motorcycle breakdowns, deep dive reviews, and future bike updates.